Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, collaboration with none other than Cooking with CJ. He just had me on the hot seat. We killed it, smashed it on the hot seat. We decided to do a quick collaboration. It's gonna be Blackstone Smash Burgers. Here's what we got. 1 pound of hamburger rolled in a ball. So 1/4 pound each. Got some poppers. Y'all can see that stuff there. Got some bacon, some jalapeno cheese, and some regular cheddar cheese. That's all we're working with. Very simple today. I'm gonna go light the Blackstone up, and we'll see you in a minute. We're at the Blackstone, and we're gonna show you what's going on with these burgers. Now I have a bacon press, and you guys know about that, to smash these burgers. So we got here the bacon press. Add whatever kind of seasoning you want. I'm adding garlic, salt, and pepper. Alright guys, we just added some pepper jack and cheddar. Now we're going to add some jalapeno poppers. Face down. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say about this thing. Ugh. Oh, it's leaning sideways. There we go. Alright guys, so everything's almost done. I got a croissant here. We're gonna put them right on the grill. Alright guys, we're gonna take the burgers off. We're taking the buns off now, or the croissants. Here's what we got, guys, off of the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and whip up the sauce. And this sauce, this spread actually I should say, it's 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm gonna go, it's actually 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and it's the minced, not the fresh, but the minced garlic here, just each jar. It's like $1, and you'll need about half of that. Yep. And then just go ahead and whip this thing up. All right, guys, we have everything done, and this is kind of the end product before we build it. So let's go ahead and build it for you. I made the mayonnaise, sriracha, and garlic sauce. You have to try it. I mean, 100%. This needs to be a spread on everything that you use. It's amazing. Then comes the double burger with the jalapeno poppers in the middle. Yeah, we're throwing that on there. Remember, this is a croissant. Oh my gosh. And of course, I mean, you see me cooking bacon. I would not add bacon unless, Rob, it's too big, it won't fit. There we go. Smash that bacon in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, I don't actually want half a piece. There we go. And the top is a teaser. Here's the top of the croissant, which is funny, but oh my gosh, yeah, let's put that thing up there. Oh man. We actually take a taste test of this thing that we built. So we'll see in a minute. All right, guys, this was actually a very good cook. This is a collaboration shout out and appreciation from me to all people that have done collaborations with me, you know, which the first one is Lassie's Food and Barbecue. Super thanks to you, Lassie, it's awesome. Second is Lyle at No Hippies Barbecue. Much thanks to you, Lyle. I mean, that's awesome. And then obviously we've got the burnt damn chicken, but Big Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Thank you. And then today the collaboration with Cooking with CJ. So 4 collaborations in. The channel's growing. Things are doing good. I want to say thank you. Everybody's information will be in the description below. Show them some support and love. Let's cut into this. First of all, I don't know what we got here. A whole bunch of. Oh yeah. And we got the croissant. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can get on that. We got poppers up in there. Oh, I gotta try this. Man. Cut. All right, guys. Sorry, I literally just finished eating that. The explosion of flavor was amazing. The jalapeno popper was crazy inside that thing. This is maybe some jalapenos on the side, but yeah, I mean, this thing was phenomenal. So I just want to say thanks to everybody that's helped me out. Sorry, I said in my face, guys, but helped me out on the way. All the supporters and subscribers, Lassie, Lyle, Ray, and Cooking with CJ. Everybody, and everybody else that watches and stuff. I mean, I got a shout out video to give next. So I just want to say I really appreciate all your guys' support and help. And man, we really love you. Absolutely. Truly amazing. So this one's done. And we will actually see you on the very next episode. Next cook. Have a good night.